Welcome to Sweet Life Beat Life. We hope this video helps.
You start by opening Sound Settings. Right-click the speaker icon in the lower right tray and choose Open Sound Settings. This immediately lands you on Output and Input selectors, which is where you control devices and volumes. Make sure the device you want to change is physically connected and powered on, and that you are signed into your Windows 10 account. Once done, glance at the Output drop-down so you can confirm which speaker or headset you will adjust next. Now choose the output device from the drop-down and click Device Properties to get into more detailed controls. You can rename the device for clarity, disable a device you do not use, and change the volume slider here. For more advanced tweaks, click Additional Device Properties. That opens the Legacy Sound panel with Enhancements and Levels tabs where you can adjust balance or disable enhancements that may distort audio. Make these changes deliberately and test play. Finish by configuring app volume and device preferences to route sound per application if needed. This is helpful when you want music on speakers and calls on headphones. If you still have no audio, run the Windows Troubleshooter. It detects common issues and suggests fixes. Make sure to update or reinstall audio drivers through Device Manager when problems persist, because outdated drivers are a frequent cause. Key tip: if audio works intermittently, test with another device to isolate hardware versus software faults.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.